Hi there, students. Never ask a barber if you need a haircut. I think this is a really good phrase. Okay, so don't ask the barber whether you need a haircut. Okay, this is a phrase, a proverb, meaning don't ask for advice from people whose opinion is biased. Let's see, if you ask a barber, do I need a haircut? Of course he's going to say yes, because it's business for him. Don't ask a Manchester United fan which is the best football team in the world. He's going to say his. Yeah. So if you ask for advice, what this phrase is saying is ask for independent advice. Yeah. If somebody's biased or doesn't has a particular liking or interest in a particular subject, then asking them if you need a haircut or if or different things, you're only going to get something that is according to their point of view of the world. And if you need advice, then this is something that you probably ought to try and find somebody independent. Yeah. You ask a mother, which is the most beautiful baby in the world? Mine, of course, but everyone says that. Okay, so formality. I think I would probably give this 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure I would go for something very formal though. And then as to origin, let's see. Apparently this was first used by someone called Daniel S. Greenberg and in 1972. But this was later made famous by Warren Buffett, who used it a few years later in his speech to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. And that's where the phrase really took off. So remember, if you want independent advice, never ask the barber whether you need a haircut. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Never ask the barber if you need a haircut.